At dawn in a rugged crater, the journey begins with curious steps, uncovering nature's hidden jewels amid rocky treasures inspiringly. Focused hands extract an agate stone with precision. Every careful movement reveals the ancient secrets embedded with golden surprises silently. A tool strikes the rocky veil, exposing a striking agate amid shimmering gold nuggets. The extraction pulses with daring excitement. Tension mounts as a determined hand frees an agate stone, its hidden allure captivating hearts. Discovery invokes a thrilling anticipation. Triumph sparkles in every glance as the cleaned agate stone reveals complex patterns. The success celebrates nature's persistent creativity vividly. Intrepid discovery unfolds inside a cavern where a guiding finger discovers concealed gold nuggets. The treasure beckons exploration and wonder. With delicate precision, expert hands remove an embedded gemstone from a rocky wall. Craft and persistence yield rare natural beauty. Mystical hues of purple, blue, and yellow grace freshly uncovered agates among muddy soil. Earth reveals a secret, vibrant story. A treasured blue agate, lovingly cradled and cleaned, symbolizes the culmination of steadfast search. Delicate beauty captivates the soul entirely. Outdoor adventure meets precise technique as a gem is restored using protective gear and clever cleaning. Nature shines with brilliance. Amid muddy earth, the discovery process intensifies. A digging tool unveils an agate, sparking curiosity and geological marvels beyond expectation. Precision and care guide every extraction as a digging tool liberates a hidden gem. Earth and effort combine flawlessly indeed. The agate stone is triumphantly revealed from muddy earth. Its smooth, translucent surface radiates a silent victory over nature's challenge. Armed with specialized tools, a careful inspection unfolds. A meticulous analysis validates the treasure's rare, captivating geological features beyond compare. Vibrant colors dance on agate surfaces embedded in earth. The natural artistry of gemstone formation enthralls admiring souls beyond measure. A dynamic close-up captures the intricate excavation process, with tools, fingers, and water harmonizing to reveal a colorful agate discovery. In a final crescendo, the vibrant agate stone is displayed proudly, its multicolored beauty encapsulating the triumph of dedicated exploration.
哦，可以，差不多一下就下来。不行，哎呦，下来了，哎，这么大，哎呀，不行，哎，哇塞！ 这么大一块，哇，是绿色。哟吼，这水晶，紫色的。哦呀，哇塞！哎呀呀，这块。 哟吼，咦，上来，咦，咦，好弄啊，怕凿碎了。哎呀！ 哎呦呵，哦，哇，漂亮，真是漂亮，哇塞，紫色的，凿进去，嘿，嘿，使点劲儿，嘿，哎。 哎呦呦呦，下来下来！哦塞！哎呀！哇！嘿嘿，什么玩意？对。哎呦，哎，不是很大。哎呦呦，下来！嘿，是。看看，打个光。哇塞！哎呀，透亮。咦，哎哎哎哎呀！哎，哇，小球球。哇，漂亮！哎哎哎！走，哦，差不多了，差不多了。哎呦，看看，我看看，哇塞！哦，漂亮。看这里发现了什么？哎，哎，哎呀，碧玺。